Welcome back. So now let's demonstrate how our RCD will respond to earth leakage fault. Earth leakage is when current leaks into the earth. The RCD should respond. And current basically leaks into the earth when there is electric shock or when a live wire touches the any part of the earthed metal in the circuitry. So now we'll demonstrate that by um, by tapping a connecting a wire from a lifeline to the earth line. That's from a live terminal to the earth terminal, and watch if the ROCD will respond normally the way it should in real life or not. So now we are still having 10 units of bulb here, but that is not important. So I'm going to start simulation. Everything is working fine. So I'm going to connect a lifeline. I just pick live from anywhere I have live. Pick live from anywhere I have live and take it to 8. I'll take it from this point. Come up. Okay, I'll take it from the switch. Let's say inside the switch, the live touches the earth here. The tripped earth fault. The ROCD have tripped because there is a leakage here from this lifeline to this earth wire to this earth terminal. The ROCD has tripped. So this can result, like I said, when there's electric shock and when this happens this way, maybe inside any part of the circuitry, that live wire touches earth wire or earth conductor. So that is when this results, and the ROCD will trip just to save the situation. That is how that happens in real life, and this has been demonstrated here, as you can see. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.